Are you over 40? If you are, when you first look at me, you think, is there something wrong with the face? I'm not quite sure what it is. I've done an instant eye lift. I'm going to teach you so fast how to do it, and you won't believe the difference. So this is the instant eye lift kit by Co Beautiful, and it actually does what it says it will. There's all these ads online that you see all the time about various products that are supposed to do various things for us women over 40, and they generally don't work. So Co Beautiful is a brand by two sisters, and it's made in the UK and Italy, vegan, cruelty free, and only a small collection of just a few essentials to give you a natural no makeup look. So I've got it all over my face. Obviously I've done this eye and not the other side, but this first product is called Lid Lift Enhance. It was made to lift tired hooded eyes, but I use it as a concealer, as I know a lot of ladies do as well, all over. So that's the first thing. So that's giving me like a lid base to lift tired hooded eyes. And then this is the brow gel. So I'm using black just because I really like my brows dark, and you forget like what a difference a brow gel makes. And if you apply it up and along, it's really good at lifting the whole eye area. So I haven't had my brows tinted for like, God, 2 years since I've been using this. So up and along, I like them very dark, and that gives you that gorgeous lift. So just that alone gives you the lift. But then I'm going to use another shade, which isn't in the instant eye lift kit, but this is just an extra product that I like doing. So I'm going to apply a little tiny dot. It's the same product, but this is in Deep Moment. So this would be great to do what I've just done on black skin tones to conceal. But on white skin tones, it's brilliant to bronze. I've used it here, where I'd naturally catch the sun because I'm quite pale, and this just gives me a little bit of colour. And then I use it, just look how it defines my eyes and just lifts. I absolutely love it. I often just put it on with my fingers, to be honest. I'm using a brush now just to show you, but just look at the difference. And then the mascara comes in 3 shades, brown, black, and this blue, which looks like the 80s blue, but look, it isn't. It's almost like a navy. It's very soft and subtle, and it's just something that's like a little bit different. You can't really tell that it's blue until the light catches it. But this mascara is vegan, cruelty free, it lasts all day, doesn't smudge, doesn't run, doesn't clump. And in fact, Co Beautiful was built because of a mascara. I'm Sarah and my sister is Emma, and we're two sisters, we used to look at the ads, buy the product for a mascara and waste money because it would never work. It'd smudge or clump or flake, and it would drive us insane. And I was like, why can't someone just make the perfect mascara that just never lets you down? So this is it, ladies, the perfect mascara that will never let you down. And those 3 products come in what's called the Instant Eye Lift Kit. I'll link them for you. Ask me any questions that you want, and I'll try and help you with shades and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it. Literally 3 minutes, the Instant Eye Lift, and it really works every time.